Biotechnology has never been more important or more promising.
Scientists tell us that they can now read and write the DNA code. This approach, called synthetic biology, helps scientists reprogram cells much the way computer programmers write the code that runs your laptop and cell phone.
Unfortunately, in just a few years, there will be a shortage of bioengineers prepared to solve the global challenges we face. To be ready, we need more people studying synthetic biology right now.
Biobuilder is a non-profit organization that brings tomorrow's bioengineering in today's classroom. Their comprehensive curriculum in synthetic biology was created by an award-winning team at MIT.
With openly accessible content and programs, Biobuilder is exciting thousands of middle and high school students and their teachers every year. Students throughout the US and around the world are integrating biology and engineering through Biobuilder's practical, hands-on labs and extracurricular activities.
Students find themselves exploring new career paths after diving into Biobuilder's design challenges that leverage student interests in health, medicine, and the environment. Professional development opportunities build a community of like-minded educators ready to bring hands-on learning and cutting-edge content into their middle school, high school, and college classes.
In response to the disruptions in teaching and learning this spring, Biobuilder is planning for even more online content to support teachers and students this fall. You can find out more about Biobuilder today at biobuilder.org.